Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the iPad Pro silicone case. This is my iPad Pro 9.7, as you can see here. So I have bought this. Actually earlier I was using this type of case cover. This is a leather case. Here you can put your iPad, and also there is a place for your pen also. So it is a kind of a recess here, so it won't fall down. So this was a nice case, but it has been already a lot of uses and it has got worn off. So also this case has one sleek pouch here, so you can keep your documents or a cloth to clean this display like that. And here you get the visiting card holder too. So let's keep this aside. For your information, this is from Pro Case. Okay, so let's keep this aside and we'll go through with this new case. So let me open this up. This is the back case and this is the front case. It has automatic switch on of display and switch off of the display, and you can use it in two angles like this. And let's open this up. First of all, we will install the back case. So I will open this up first. As you can hear, it's a nice styling here. Just tear this off like this. Okay. And oh, it's really hard. So, okay, we have taken it out. You have to push this out from here like this. Doing it with one hand is very tough, but for you, my friends, I have to do this. Yes, got it out. So yeah, this has a nice rubbery feeling to it. So, as you can see here, and the inside it has a nice material, designed by Apple, California, assembled in Chennai. Sorry, China. Assembled in China. So let's put this inside. Okay, here we go. I think it's quite clean. The logo must be clean before you put it inside, because after you put it inside you won't be able to again access it for a long time. Why would you open this up? You know, this is a nice case, and to insert it, first we will put this camera side on, and slightly we will tap this side, then this side, and lastly this side. Okay, it's well done. So it has got a hole here, as you can see here. These are the holes for your microphone. This is the another microphone. Exact holes for the speakers. As you can see, it is totally aligned. Let me show you off. Yes, it is totally aligned. There's a hole for the headphone jack. Exact cutout for your charger and rear speakers, as you can see here. Totally exact. And my friends, this side you might be thinking why it is open, but as you can see here, we have got our keyboard connector here, so we got to keep this side on, or else as I have got my secondary case which will go on that side. So let us don't waste the time and move forward with the side case, top case. Okay, same way, just pull it up, and it's really hard. Yes, and push it so that it will come off this side. Let me do it. Okay, yes, it's up. So here you can see here, this is the top side, the same material. It has a this side it has a rubbery feeling to it, and this side is totally velvet to protect the display. Those people don't like screen guards, they can use this without screen guard because this is very soft and won't hamper your display. So let us put this aside, and this has to be installed in this way. This is a magnetic thing, so first of all we will connect like this. Did you see how it was cool, man? Cool. See, just you pull it closer to it, it gets it. So now you can close it up. As you can see, it is totally streamlined. Here you can mention here, see, it's totally connected. So that won't be any kind of falling out or something. But my friends, don't hold it like this. I feel the laptop is correct, but it's quite strong. But we shouldn't take the risk and dump it, because I feel that it might tear it up and the laptop might fall down. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching, and I'll see you on the next video. And as you can see here, it's closing up and opening up. So let me do it again. See, when I close it, it's totally dark here. When I open it, it's okay. Let me do it from here. See, it is dark. Switch down. So thank you, friends. This is the video of the Apple iPad Pro 9.7 silicone case cover, front and back. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe, my friends. I have to tell this that my channel is facing a lot of issues right now from YouTube. They have changed some new policies, so I need subscribers. So do subscribe, my friends, and help me out to make a lot of videos like this. Good luck. Bye bye.